In the vast expanse of space where dreams of humanity soar, Chandrayaan-3 marked a giant leap for India, a nation of innovation, determination, and boundless aspirations. Chandrayaan-3, the successor to Chandrayaan-2, was India's third lunar exploration mission, launched by the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, in July 2023. Its objective was to achieve a soft landing on the Moon's surface and demonstrate India's prowess in space technology. After the near success of Chandrayaan-2 in 2019, lessons were learned, designs refined, and hopes reignited. Chandrayaan-3 was developed with precision, comprising a lander named Vikram and a rover named Pragyan. Unlike its predecessor, Chandrayaan-3 did not include an orbiter, relying instead on data from Chandrayaan-2's still-active orbiter. On July 14, 2023, Chandrayaan-3 soared into the heavens aboard the GSLV Magga-3, India's heaviest and most reliable launch vehicle. It carried not just scientific instruments, but also the dreams of 1.4 billion Indians. The spacecraft traversed nearly 384,000 kilometers, executing complex orbital maneuvers to enter the Moon's orbit. The mission's critical phase, a soft landing, was achieved on August 23, 2023, near the Moon's South Pole, a region of immense scientific interest. This historic touchdown made India the first country to successfully land near the lunar South Pole and the fourth nation globally to achieve a soft landing on the Moon. Pragyan began its exploration, analyzing the lunar soil and surface composition, searching for traces of water ice, and sending valuable data back to Earth. Every image, every piece of data was a testament to the brilliance of Indian science. The mission was more than a technological achievement. It was a source of inspiration, igniting curiosity among the youth and showcasing India's commitment to space exploration. Chandrayaan-3 was not just a mission to the Moon. It was a story of perseverance, innovation, and the unyielding human spirit. As India looks beyond, to Mars and beyond, Chandrayaan-3 stands as a beacon of what is possible when a nation dreams together. To the Moon and beyond, India's journey continues. Like, share, and subscribe Riva Tales for more interesting space insights.